new iPad gets an engine upgrade with the A5X chip to power the new Retina display along with a 5-megapixel eyesight camera. The HK53 is a compact version of the HK33 Assault Rifle, which fires a .223 round. It looks very similar to the MP5 submachine gun, which fires 9mm pistol ammo. In fact, some parts are even interchangeable between the two. Both firearms are select fire.
All right, it didn't do as much as I was hoping it was going to do to it. I was hoping it'd cut a pattern out or something like that, but the glass really holds it in place a lot. And we've seen it from the 50 BMG stuff that I'd shot in the past. So I'm going to break out the Benelli M4 and run some specialty ammo through it.
The M4 is Benelli's first shotgun to incorporate their auto-regulated gas-operated, or Argo system, that is a semi-automatic shotgun firing a 12-gauge round. On this model, I have the adjustable buttstock and a breeching choke. Flechette ammo consists of metal dart-like projectiles that are more commonly used as shotgun ammo, but can be found in variants like the 70mm Hydra 70 rockets that are fired from Apache and Cobra helicopters. Last but not least, bolo ammo consists of 2 slugs connected by a steel wire.
Ready? That's all the time I got today, so if you like the video, make sure you pull that trigger on the subscribe button. If you want a chance to win a 50 BMG shell and a tactical bracelet, leave me a comment below. What do you want to see next? We'll see y'all next time.
Spinning that goo-goo. Goo-goo.